This is how to buy crypto on Bybit with credit or debit card. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT. You can see I'll be using my Bybit exchange app for this demonstration. For you to buy any crypto with your debit or credit card on Bybit, you can see deposit. You come under here, you tap more. You can see recommended. You see buy crypto. You come down here, buy crypto. This is our target. You choose Fiat deposit. You tap it. As soon as you get to this place and you are seeing this bank card, it means that card purchase is supported in your country on Bybit. The reason is that Bybit has geo-IP filtering and KYC location detection. So that implies you can do transaction on Bybit using your credit or debit card. You need minimum of level 1 KYC requirement for you to be able to use your credit or debit card to buy crypto on Bybit. So the next thing is to tap bank card. It will bring you to this place. You can see buy. So this is where you input the amount of crypto you want to buy. In this case, we want to buy USDT. Suppose you are not buying USDT. Maybe you want to buy Bitcoin. You tap this place, USDT. Then you can select BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any crypto you want to buy. But we are buying USDT, so we go back. We select USDT. You need to know that before you use that card, your card must support 3DS. That is 3DS protocol. What that implies is that your card must support and enable international online transaction. What that implies that anytime you want to do transaction with your card, your issuers must be able to send OTP, that is one-time password, to your phone or to your bank app for you to verify your KYC status. That will help you to confirm your identity and verify the purchase using your card. So the next thing to do before you tap bank transfer is to input the amount of USDT you want to buy. Suppose we are buying $30 worth of USDT. You tap and input $30. You input the amount here. You are not tapping next. You tap bank transfer. Now, don't forget the objective is to use your card. You can also use your Apple Pay if you've already registered your credit or debit card with your Apple Pay. But for the purpose of this video, so we tap bank card. Then you come down here to confirm. So you've selected bank card. This is where you add your card. If you already have your card registered before on Bybit, you will not see this. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to add your card. So you tap add card. This is where you input the details of your card, and you can see you can use Visa card or Mastercard. The thing is that the card must be registered in your name. That is the same name you are using on Bybit before this transaction can be successful. Then you will need your billing address. That is the bank that issue your card, the address you gave them. You fill in all of them here. This is where I'm going to recommend a card that you can use. That is AirTM virtual dollar card. I created a video of step-by-step of how to get this card. Watch this video. It's so simple and straightforward. All you need to do is to select card detail. You see the amount you have here. You can see that it's Visa card. And if you watch that video, you see how to load and transfer money to your card. And your billing address is the address you register with on AirTM. And you have some reward if you use my link, which is below the description of this video. I've already filled in my details. All you need to do is to fill in your details. You also input your billing address. But there's one important thing you need to know before you go further. When you use your credit or debit card to buy crypto on Bybit, you will be charged transaction fee. Transaction fee varies from regions to regions and also depends on card type. That is if it is Mastercard, Visa card, credit card, or debit card. The transaction fee is mostly between 1.1% and 3.05%. This is why I always prefer to do P2P to buy my crypto on Bybit or on any exchange, because it's cheaper, and most of the time you may even get it without any charges. And you can watch this video of how to buy P2P that is to buy crypto in USDT from your bank account in your region. Step by step, this video will walk you through that. So as soon as you input all your details and you input your billing address, you just tap confirm. You follow the step-by-step process to conclude the transaction, and before you know it, you get the crypto deposited in your Bybit account. So this is how you buy crypto using credit card or your debit card on Bybit Exchange using your Bybit Exchange app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. When you do that, you'll be able to know as soon as I publish my videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.